The best of the Amalfi Coast, Italy's coastal gem. Welcome to Italy's Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of cliffs, pastel-colored villages, and sparkling Mediterranean waters. Here are the must-do experiences for the perfect Amalfi getaway. Explore Positano's charming streets. Start in Positano, the jewel of the coast. Stroll through winding streets filled with chic boutiques and art galleries, then relax on the famous Spiaggia Grande beach with its iconic, colourful umbrellas. Take a scenic drive or boat tour. The Amalfi Drive is one of the world's most stunning coastal roads. Or, for an even better view, book a private boat tour to admire hidden caves, sea cliffs, and charming fishing villages from the water. Visit Amalfi Town and Ravello in Amalfi. Visit the breathtaking 9th century Cathedral of St. Andrew. Then head up to Ravello for lush gardens at Villa Simbrone and Villa Ruffalo, perfect spots for panoramic sea views. Savour the food and lemon delights. No trip is complete without trying fresh seafood pasta, creamy mozzarella, and of course, the famous limoncello made from Amalfi's giant lemons. End your day watching the sun set behind the cliffs, a magical experience that makes the Amalfi Coast unforgettable. The Amalfi Coast is more than just a destination. It's a feast for the senses, combining Italian charm, rich history, and unmatched natural beauty. A must-visit on any traveler's list.